back to my channel.
Our channel, the Shakira channel.
Get it?
Shay, Kiera.
Shakira. We're making spring rolls. I'm gonna grab some lettuce, and then we're gonna add some shrimp. Cucumber.
You don't need any of these, right?
You can have all of it. Let's start wrapping.
Okay. Why doesn't it look right?
Why don't you just dunk it?
Yeah, all right. Oh, why is it so much water?
Hey, girls.
Whoa.
What is this? A spring roll.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
This is a spring roll. I don't know what that is.
This is fresh shrimp spring rolls with peanut dipping sauce. I used to serve this at my family's restaurant, Little Saigon, while I was pregnant with the girls.
I think we need a little bit more than that, Shay.
Now, years later, it feels like a full circle moment to be teaching them how to make the very same recipe.
Do you want some mint? No!
Assuming they don't destroy my kitchen first.
Ah!
Shayna Lee. We messed up, Mom's fan.
Today on
My daughter's cooked.
We have our veggies prepped, we have our noodles or shrimp. Next is to wrap our spring rolls. And once I'm done showing you, you girls are gonna wrap your own spring roll, and the winner who gets the most beautiful, perfectly wrapped spring roll gets a crisp $20.
Oh, I'm winning.
So you better pay attention if you want this money.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So this is rice paper. We are gonna give it a quick dunk in the rice paper holder.
Oh, so you're supposed to put it in the water first?
Yes.
Oh, why is it so much water?
And we don't wanna wait until it's nice and soft. We want it kind of firm.
Oh.
It's gonna soften while we roll. Then we're gonna add shrimp, and we want the pretty side, this side, down, like that. And I try to find the same shape, facing the same. Lettuce, carrots, cucumber for brunch, some cilantro. This is customizable. So if you don't like mint or you don't like cilantro, leave it out. You don't want too much rice noodle because you really want to taste the veggies. And then we're gonna fold it like an envelope. We're gonna roll, and almost like a tuck and roll. And then you see that you have the beautiful shrimp right there. You can see all the ingredients, right? You can see the shrimp, you can see the rice noodles, the lettuce, and carrots popping out. Now is your turn.
Me first.
Oh,
because I'm older.
okay, awesome.
Now I'm gonna place it onto the clean marble. So the shrimp.
Oh,
I
yes.
need to grab the perfect one. Oh, okay.
You want to play that game?
Okay. Do you want some mint? No!
Do you want some? Just a little gift for you.
Okay, remember you gotta do it quickly because the rice paper is gonna get too soft.
I think I'm gonna roll mine.
To fold it in like an envelope. Fold.
Oh, yes.
Ah! You're helping Kiera. That's not fair. You're helping Kiera. That's
I
not
didn't do anything, I was coughing.
What if we didn't want
my
the
throat.
noodles?
Okay, now I'm gonna fold over and tuck
This is, oh no.
and tuck. Ah! Look what I did.
I think I'm getting this $20. I think I'm getting the $20. Look at mine's in a perfect little row.
Before judging the spring rolls, we are gonna make a peanut sauce with milk, peanut butter, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, shallots, garlic, and palm sugar. We want this on like a low, medium heat. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of shallots, 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm gonna add some peanut butter.
How much peanut butter do we add?
A lot. It's 2 parts peanut butter, 1 part hoisin sauce. Melt this down a little bit. 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, and a little bit of rice vinegar just to give it a little tang. You see how the peanut butter is forming a paste? We're gonna turn off the heat, and we're gonna add the milk. Do you know why I turned off the heat before I added the milk?
Because it'll curdle. It'll curdle.
Yay! You guys are so smart.
Now,
Add a little bit of a time and mix it in with a whisk because we're just looking for a consistency. And this is just a preference, like how smooth do you want the sauce? So we're gonna taste it. I think we need a little bit more hoisin and a little bit more palm sugar. Give it a little taste so you know what you're aiming for. I think it's time for you to make it on your own.
Just a sauce.
we got this, right? Mm-hmm. We're gonna add a little bit of oil.
think they need a little bit more oil.
And then we need shallots.
I'm adding shallots, 1 tablespoon of garlic, then peanut butter.
I think we need more oil. It's sticking to the pan.
Oh,
Oh, darn it. We messed up Mom's pan. Sorry, Mom.
I don't blame them. It's really hard to cook with stainless steel if you've never done it.
It's probably good.
now peanut butter. And she said to add a lot of peanut butter.
Maybe even a little more than that if we're feeling a little risky. Yeah, that seems like enough.
And it's just like a little bit of hoisin. Well, it was like half of the peanut butter.
Yes.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, next, palm sugar, and it says a dabble.
You have to dab when you add it because it's a dabble. Oh, thanks. I think we need a little bit more than that, Shay.
More palm sugar, yes.
She put like 3 spoons. Put more.
Good?
More.
Good?
Maybe a little bit more.
I think that's good.
No, because she put a lot in there.
The peanut butter sauce is basically done when it starts clumping like that.
And then add some rice vinegar.
Only put a little bit.
So like a dabble.
Less than a dabble.
Oh man, that just does not look appetizing whatsoever.
That is what? Shayna Lee! Shay!
I put a dabble.
So much.
And now the vinegar is not going into the peanut sauce, it's just evaporating.
Then a dabble! Shay, this is gonna taste like vinegar.
Wait, guess what?
Nice resolution there.
Okay.
Nice resolution.
Women in STEM. Once it's paste, add milk, a little at a time, and whisk. And it says measure with your heart.
I'm not gonna tell them to stop using that as a measurement tool.
I'm gonna add just a tad. Okay.
That pan is way too hot.
Here, mix it, don't stop.
Why did it evaporated? Where did it go?
Keep going, keep whisking.
Oh, I'm getting it everywhere.
This is gonna take a while because they're barely pouring any milk in.
I hear mom talking, so that's not a good sign.
That's not a good sign.
2 more splashes and they're gonna see the consistency like turn lighter and they're probably gonna feel better about the sauce.
I'm gonna add a little more.
There we go.
Keep whisking.
That was a good dollop.
Why did we make so much sauce?
Time to taste. What does it need?
Add more of that.
Okay, is that good?
Yes.
Okay, now it's my turn to taste test.
Wait, hers is a lot darker than ours.
Actually, I think we did a pretty dang good job. Oh, okay.
Okay,
Good job.
nice.
There's $20 on the line. The weight of Kiera's, I like that it's thicker, has more ingredients. Because you know when you bite something, you want like a big bite. But Shayna, I like you could see all the ingredients in yours.
Can you not see all?
Oh, I could actually see more of yours actually. Just trying to find something nice to say about your
She's crying. She's moved to tears by how great
I love
mine
that you
is.
added mint. I'm pretty sure they both taste the same.
Are you sure?
Aesthetically though, just a preference.
She's crying.
Is Kiera's the winner.
Yay! I get the $20. At least I didn't bring mine out at the beginning.
Here, Kiera. Here is
It's
your
good.
grand prize. $20. Don't spend it all in one place.
I'm rich.
I can already tell which peanut sauce is mine. And that doesn't mean one is better than the other by looks, it's just what your preference is. Some people like chunky peanut butter, some people like smooth peanut butter. So I'm gonna actually taste test your peanut butter sauce and mine. I'm gonna try mine first.
Good.
What I'm looking for in the peanut sauce is I actually want to taste the peanut butter. It has to be a little sweet, it has to be a little savory. I want to taste the garlic and shallots as well, but it doesn't want to be overpowering, okay? And the vinegar does have a little acid just for some sourness.
What?
Good.
What?
Is it good?
Wait, really?
Wait,
Is mine better?
wait. I might have to try your recipe over mine.
Yeah.
Girls,
Yep.
the thick one actually wins. Girls,
What can I say?
What can I say?
I'm gonna rate this right now at 1 out of 10. I'm gonna give you guys a 9 on this.
What can I say? What can I
I'm
say?
gonna give mine an 8. I cannot believe that. Congratulations, you guys did an amazing job. Now, try both dipping sauces. I suggest trying mine first and then trying yours.
Okay.
Let's dip it.
Nice dippy dip. Ooh, ASMR. Okay, now I want you guys to try yours. Right?
I think that's better.
Right? I'm impressed, girls. I'm very impressed that you girls were able to make the dipping sauce better than mine.
Good. Very good. Don't dab on me.